finally doing it. Finally gonna give you guys a mansion tour. Check this out.
And an ode for the daughter and son who put together this beautiful home for their father. I definitely was shocked when I walked in to see Awowo with Nike shoes and his khamis on. Those are the goals, those are the dreams that we all dream of being able to accomplish. But anyways, enough with the soft talk. Let me just show you guys this beautiful, beautiful mansion home.
The house has a personal gym that you can access from the outside. Look at that, gym goals. This is your treadmill view? Come on. MashaAllah. I'm telling you, you can live luxe in the motherland. This is my first time I get to show you guys, and so you get to see this beautiful mansion. How many bedrooms? I don't know. I'll find out soon.
haybad waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo haybad waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo wana lama huraane hagarli ii wax ugu qabo wana lama huraane hagarli ii wax ugu qabo haybad waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo haybad waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo wana lama huraane hagarli ii wax ugu qabo wana lama huraane hagarli ii wax ugu qabo.
Guys, guess what? We're finally doing it, guys. I'm giving you a mansion house tour. How about that? House Hunting Hargeisa, here we go. So you can see this beautiful mahogany doors. We're gonna enter right now. So when we enter, you can see the living room on this side, beautiful ceilings. It's an upstairs, of course. And this is the sitting room. All this wood, all this beautiful furniture. Look at these. So comfy looking. And then we make our way upstairs or into the kitchen. Let's see what's going on in the kitchen. Wow. Cute. This is a big kitchen. Big fridge. These are so cute. Okay. Let's go check out the upstairs. Honestly, this mahogany wood is everything. What? I was not expecting a second living room. Come on. So this is like the upstairs sitting room, I suppose. Didn't know you needed 2 living rooms, but that's good. Oh, this light is beautiful. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I'm dying right now, guys. And this balcony, come on. This is really spacious. Tiles super, super cute. Hi. This is the control panel for all the solars. The house is fully solar operating, just what we like to hear. Oh, is this a walk-in closet? Wow, okay. I like the black and white. Yes. Okay, this is the most luxurious mosquito net I've ever seen. That's perfect. Each piece is handmade and put together, all mahogany. Love it. Okay guys, this is really luxurious. A bit old school, it was 5 years ago, but I'm loving the mahogany, all the wood tones. Just so cute. So cute. So this is the outhouses back here. Little service room, kitchen, probably an outdoor kitchen in here. And then we'll enter the main house. This is a luxurious hallway. These are all mahogany. Now we're headed to the gym. Yeah, there's a gym in the house, imagine. I don't know why I'm surprised, it's a mansion, it has to have a gym. little personal gym. And if you need, when you go out, there's a shower right there, personal shower. That's its own massage chair, treadmill, redmill, whatever they're called. Gym goals. This is your treadmill view? Come on. MashaAllah. I'm telling you, you can live luxe in the motherland. Upstairs. So the master bedroom here has the same mosquito net. I'm telling you, that mosquito net is clutch. So I was told there's a jacuzzi in the master bedroom. Ironic, water. Maybe we were optimistic about water when we were building, yeah? But let's go check out this jacuzzi bathroom. Okay, yep, there's a jacuzzi in the bathroom. Incredible. I cannot get enough of these doors and this ceiling, guys. Look at the ceiling. MashaAllah. Okay, that is it for our mansion tour. We have our service rooms right outside. The windows, such nice windows.